Hi, I am Pradesh. My register number is ULK18CS005. In this video, we are going to see Web Technology Lab. The heading of the lab is PHP Session Management and Database Connection. So here we are going to see design a multiple page showing cart in PHP using super global visible. So this is here I am going to use a page like creating an password and ID for one page, and after that we are going to see how it's going to be login. So this is my the code database conversity, and here is the session management PHP code. This is the source code for index PHP. This is my source code for the index PHP. After that, sign in page. This is the sign in page code, and here it will be sign up page code. This is the sign up page code, and there will be style sheet. This is a style sheet for our code, and our output will be, and another one is checkout.php code. This here, and confirm.php code is also there. This is the output for this program, and it will be look like this. Here we are going to create the password, email ID, password, like that. After that, here we will be going to log in into that. So let's see how it's going to work. And here I am using Apache. So this is my code. This is my sign up code. This is sign in code, and this is sign up code. This is style sheet code, and this is checkout PHP code, and confirm PHP code is here. So let's see how it's work. So let's see how it's work. So this is our output, and here I am going to register now. My username is Pratish, and my email is joe@gmail.com, and password is 12345. Confirm password is also 12345. So let's sign up, and here we are going to log. Let's see. So here it's showing warning, but I don't know, it has been running correctly only. So this is the output for our web post. Let's see in web post. Here it's how it's running. So username is this. My password is 123. It's working here. So this is our web page, which is been created. Have created. This is we have been going to give address like Chennai. Quantity is Dell. Name is Pratish. Address is Chennai. Dell devices. Price is 1000. Quantity is 2. Total amount is 20,000. Order confirm. So this is our output for. So this is our output for experiment session management and database connection. So I have created a web host link also. Let me give my web host link here. My web host link is, let me paste here. So this is my web host link. So this is my web host link. Thank you.